What's your English level? Take this test. Are you curious about your English level? Do you want to test your language skills and see how well you know the language? Well, you're in luck because we've got a test for you. This test will help you determine your English level and give you a better idea of what areas you need to improve on. The test consists of multiple choice questions that cover different areas of English grammar, vocabulary, and comprehension. To take the test, simply click on the link in the description below and follow the instructions on the screen. The test is designed to be quick and easy, with most people completing it in about 20 minutes. Once you're done, you'll receive your score and a breakdown of your results, showing you which areas you did well in and which ones you need to work on. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced English learner, this test will help you identify your strengths and weaknesses and give you a clear idea of where to focus your learning efforts. Remember, the key to improving your English is to practice consistently, learn from your mistakes, and never give up. So what are you waiting for? Take the test today and find out your English level. Thanks for watching, and we hope you find the test helpful.